Good day, everyone. We are the Group 21, and our topic is all about human ecology theory. So, the origin of human ecological theories, Greek root ecos meaning home. Home economics, now often called human ecology. The term human ecology was first introduced by the sociologists Robert Park and Ernest Burgess in 1991. Ernest Haeckel, he was the first to give the name ecology to the study of interrelations and the interdependence of species, and by doing so give them the character of distinct and separate science. Human ecology studies the relationship between the people and their social, physical environments. Human ecology is concerned with the examination of the relationship between man and his environment, and man within an environment. As the human population increases in size, the space allotted to natural ecosystems is reduced in size. Natural ecosystems are then no longer able to process and rid the biospheres of waste, which accumulate and are called pollutants. Pollutants are substances added to the environment, particularly by human activities that led to undesirable effects for all living things. Human beings adds pollutants to all parts of biosphere, land, water, and air. Human ecology is concerned with the question of how people organize themselves socially to adapt to their habitat, and their particular to the habitat of cities and their environs. Human ecology theory is a way of looking at the interactions of human with their environments and considering this relationship as a system. Human ecology theory concentrates on the interaction and interdependence of human as a biological and social entities. Human ecology theory holds that the quality of life of humans and the quality of environment are independent. This is frequently the reasoning behind social generation. Human ecology is about investigating how individual societies interrelate with the nature and with their environment. It integrates knowledge from all academic disciplines and from personal experience to investigate and ultimately improve the relationship between human beings and our social and natural communities. We have basic premises in human ecology. Families interact with their environment to form an ecosystem. Families carry out the following for good itself as well as good of society. Number one is biological sustenance. Biodiversity is essential for the processes that support all life on Earth, including humans. Without a wide range of animals, plants, and microorganisms, we cannot have the healthy ecosystems that we rarely on to provide with the air we breathe and the food we eat, and the people also nature of itself. The next is economic maintenance. Concept of preventive maintenance is presently accepted in most of the industries in order to achieve their planned production. Both production and maintenance have the same objective: to produce a quality product and maximum efficiency and minimum cost. Third is psychosocial and nurturance functions. Why is a nurturing environment so important? A nurturing environment is one that gives children the security and opportunity to discover themselves and their world. All people of the world are independent on the resources of the earth. There is a balance between. First is cooperation and integration in the ecosystem. The second is with demands of the individual for autonomy and freedom.
So, we have the assumptions of human ecology theory. Number one is families and the environment are interdependent. Number two, families are part of the total life system, so they are interdependent with other forms of life. Number three, adaptation is a continuing process in families. They can respond, change, develop, and act on and modify their environment. All parts of the environment are interrelated and influence each other. Families interact with multiple environments. Families require matter energy. Interactions between families and environments are guided by two sets of rules: physical and biological laws of nature. Example, laws of thermodynamics. Human derived rules. Example, social norms. Environments do not determine human behavior but pose limitations and constraints as well as possibilities and opportunities for families. And the last number is decision making is the central control process in families that directs action for attaining individual and family goals.
So next is we have underlying values under human ecology theory. Survival, maintenance, and sustainability are important figures of life. Four great virtues that contribute to the ultimate good. First is economic adequacy. Second is justice. Three is freedom. And last is peacefulness.
We have other virtues that can contribute to the quality of life. Number one is health. Number two, education and learning. Number three is loving and nurturing relationships. Number four, productive work and work environments. Number five, experience and symbolic system that sustain meaning and a sense of community. Number six, beauty. And the last number seven is trustworthiness. So next is scholars and practitioners acting on these values are expected to attend to the problems and groups and subcultures who lack. Number one is power. Number two is self-determination. Number three, access to resources. Number four, humans should be responsible to other living species and the non-living environments.
The last part is human ecological concepts. One is human ecosystem. Number two, environment. Three, adaptation. Four, family. Five, needs. Six, values. Seven, management. Eight, decision making. Nine, human development. So, human ecology is important to study because human life and human activity in different ecosystems and different cultures in the present and in the past is ordered to gain and better understanding of the factors which influence the interaction between humans and their environment. That's all.